Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. As we sit here on January 13th, 2026, silver just smashed through $85 to $88 per ounce today. That's up over 180% from last year. We're talking record highs, folks. Silver is on fire. If you missed the 2025 surge, don't sleep on 2026. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 reasons why silver prices are skyrocketing right now, and I'll give you my realistic future target. Stick around. This could be one of the biggest opportunities in precious metals history. Let's dive in. Reason number 1, massive structural supply deficits. We're running out. First up, the fundamentals are screaming bullish. For the 5th straight year, global silver demand is massively outpacing supply. We're looking at deficits of hundreds of millions of ounces annually. 2025 was around 230 million ounces short, and 2026 isn't looking much better. Why? Mine production is flat or declining. Years of underinvestment mean new projects won't come online until 2027 or later. Recycling isn't keeping up either, especially from high-tech scrap. Add in new export restrictions from major players like China starting January 1st, 2026. That's tightening the physical market even more. When there's literally not enough silver to go around, prices have nowhere to go but up. This isn't speculation. It's basic supply and demand economics. Reason number 2, explosive industrial demand. Silver is the new oil for green tech. Silver isn't just a shiny investment. Over half its demand comes from industry, and that's exploding. We're in the middle of the biggest energy transition in history. Solar panels alone are set to consume over 200 million ounces annually by the end of 2026. Solar capacity is growing double digits every year. Then you've got electric vehicles, EVs, 5G networks, data centers, electronics, medical devices. Silver's unmatched conductivity makes it irreplaceable. Even with high prices, companies can't substitute easily. Demand from clean energy and tech is relentless and structural. As the world pushes for net zero and the AI data boom continues, industrial buyers are hoovering up every ounce they can get. This permanent removal from the market creates a squeeze that pushes prices higher. No wonder silver outperformed gold big time last year. Reason number 3, geopolitical tensions and safe haven rush. Geopolitics is on fire in 2026, and precious metals love chaos. Tensions in the Middle East, Iran-US involvement risks, ongoing US-China-India trade wars, tariffs threatening supply chains, and hotspots in major producers like Mexico and Russia. Investors are piling into silver as a hedge against uncertainty. When the world feels risky, people flock to hard assets. Silver acts as both a safe haven, like gold, and an industrial play, giving it double leverage. We've seen this before. During past crises, silver surges hard. Right now, with Fed independence questions and global instability, safe haven buying is accelerating the rally. Reason number 4, supportive monetary policy. Fed rate cuts and weaker dollar. The Fed's actions are super friendly for silver. After rate cuts in late 2025, expectations are high for more easing in 2026, especially with softer job data and cooling but still above target inflation. Lower rates make non-yielding assets like silver more attractive compared to bonds or savings accounts. A weaker US dollar, which often follows rate cuts, boosts commodity prices in dollar terms. Plus, ongoing currency debasement fears from massive money printing push investors toward hard money. Silver benefits hugely here. It's the poor man's gold with extra upside from its industrial side. Visual, Fed rate chart trending down, USD index falling, inflation graphs. Reason number 5, investor FOMO plus technical breakout momentum. Finally, the psychology and technicals are in overdrive. After silver's 147% plus surge in 2025, retail and institutional investors are jumping in. ETFs are seeing inflows, and physical buying is strong. Technically, silver broke out of long-term patterns like cup and handle, smashing through resistance levels. Momentum is strong. Many analysts see this as the start of a multi-year bull run. When fear of missing out FOMO kicks in, prices can overshoot fundamentals. Silver has a history of explosive moves in bull markets. Think 2008 to 2011, when it multiplied several times. Visual, silver price chart with breakout arrows, ETF inflow data, excited investor memes. Future target, can silver hit $100 plus in 2026? My take. So, what's next? Conservative forecasts from banks like HSBC or Citigroup see averages in the $60 to $70, but that's way too low given the momentum. More bullish voices, from FX Empire to veteran analysts, are targeting $100 per ounce as the next psychological hurdle in 2026, with some wild cards calling for 150 plus if deficits worsen or a short squeeze hits. My personal target? I see silver testing $100 to $120 realistically by end of 2026, potentially higher if geopolitics flare or industrial demand accelerates further. Long term, triple digits are coming. This isn't hype. It's backed by real shortages and demand. But remember, volatility is real. We could see 15 to 25% pullbacks. Buy the dips. This is not financial advice. Do your own research. Diversify and consider physical silver or trusted ETFs. If you're excited about silver in 2026, smash that like button, subscribe for daily updates, and drop in the comments, what's your price target for silver this year? $100? $150? Let me know. Thanks for watching. Stay stacked, stay smart. P.S.